Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix auto brightness not working. So how to fix auto brightness not working. At first take a microfiber cloth. I mean, it doesn't have to be a microfiber one, it's just one that's best for it. And you can prepare yourself the alcohol. The alcohol needs to be either the isopropyl one or the ethyl one. Then after that you need to wipe the screen's front facing camera, right, like that. Here we've got the ambient light sensor. Now after this wiping you can enter the settings, open display, move your brightness up to the 100% and then enable adaptive brightness. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. If it works perfectly fine for you, that's nice. If it doesn't, enable, disable, enable, disable, enable, disable adaptive brightness till it works. If it doesn't work still, you need to restart your phone to refresh the sensors. Hold the power button and volume down button and here tap restart, then restart, and after this it should work. If it doesn't work still, you need to check for the software updates and update your phone if you've got any update, of course. And if it doesn't work after the update, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Of course, in a moment I will show you how to update your phone. So at first we need to open the settings. Here you need to scroll down to the software update and yeah, and here download and install. You should be dragged to this menu, and if you've got battery charged to the sufficient level, you need to charge your phone. You need to update your phone here, and of course it doesn't really matter if it's a One UI 5 upgrade or any other update. Just update your phone. It will fix everything. And if it didn't fix everything, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Bye!